Managing an organization's presence on Twitter to increase brand awareness involves various strategies and best practices. Here are some tips to help you effectively manage your organization's presence on Twitter. Step number 1. Optimize your Twitter profile. Ensure that your profile is complete and includes your organization's logo, a compelling bio, and a link to your website. Use relevant keywords in your bio to make it searchable. Step number 2. Create engaging content. Share a mix of content such as industry news, company updates, promotions, and behind-the-scenes glimpses. Visual content like images and videos tend to perform well on Twitter. Step number 3. Use hashtags. Incorporate relevant hashtags in your tweets to increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Research trending hashtags in your industry and use them strategically. Step number 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, mentions, and messages promptly. Engaging with your followers can help build relationships and increase brand loyalty. Step number 5. Monitor conversations. Keep an eye on conversations related to your industry or brand using tools like Twitter lists, hashtags, and monitoring tools. Join relevant conversations to increase your brand's visibility. Step number 6. Schedule tweets. Use social media management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule tweets in advance. This ensures a consistent posting schedule and allows you to reach your audience at optimal times. Step number 7. Run Twitter ads. Consider using Twitter ads to reach a larger audience and target specific demographics. Promoted tweets, accounts, or trends can help increase brand awareness and engagement. Step number 8. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers or industry experts can help increase your organization's reach and credibility on Twitter. Identify influencers who align with your brand values and target audience. Step number 9. Track performance. Monitor key metrics like engagement, reach, and follower growth using Twitter Analytics. Analyzing this data can help you understand what content resonates with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. Step number 10. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building a strong presence on Twitter. Develop a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. By implementing these strategies and consistently monitoring and optimizing your organization's presence on Twitter, you can effectively increase brand awareness and reach a larger audience.